Welcome to the in front of me Samsung Galaxy A53, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first you should go into the Play Store application, and then here in the search bar enter the green Apple keyboard. And now how to get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while the application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just open the app, click here enable in settings, and near the green Apple keyboard click once to the switcher to activate it, then just tap to OK, again tap OK. Now just go back, click to the switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. And now you can see that the process is finished, and now we can go somewhere, for example here into the search, Apple app search, and here we can see the look of our new device keyboard, and you can see that this keyboard is also close to the iPhone one as all of these emojis. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.